Hey puzzler, welcome to Payazi channel. I have come up with one more very interesting number puzzle. What number will replace question mark? Put your brain on workout. The first row has 4415 question mark. What will be the number in place of question mark? And the second row has 5170 question mark. Pause the video and solve it. Comment your answer. Let's jump into the solution. I will solve this puzzle column by column. First column is 4 and 5. 4 square plus 5 square. What will be the answer? 16 plus 25, which is equal to 41. So 4 will go on the second column and 1 will go on the second column, second row. Now on the second column we have 4 and 1. Square of 4 is 16 and 1 square is 1, which is addition as 17. So here we have 1 and 7. Now third column have 1 square, 7 square, which is equal to 1 plus 49 is equal to 50. We have 50 here, 5 0. Similarly we have 5 square and 0 square, which is equal to 25 plus 0. Answer is 25. 2 will come here and 5 will be on the second row. Hope you enjoy this puzzle solution. Do like, comment, share and subscribe to Payazi channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.